Welcome to Debug to Deploy. I got a request to make a video on runtime polymorphism, inheritance, and some basic core Java stuff. So I thought that instead of making the dedicated video on runtime polymorphism, it is better to make an entire series on inheritance so that the concept of entire inheritance would be clear. So, in this series, I'm going to discuss the entire inheritance from A to Z for the professional level. So, first of all, I will be going to discuss the inheritance beyond the textbook definition that what we have learned so far. It is not just that inheritance is only used for code reusability. I can ensure you that after watching my videos, the perception of thinking would be changed. You will think something differently. The second I will be discussing about is a relationship, and of course the is a relationship is of course related with the composition, that is a has a relationship. So I will be going to discuss about this one. The new keyword, and to be very honest, that new keyword is also related with inheritance and the object creation, that how the object can be created, because the creation of object understanding is basically the root of runtime polymorphism. And then after we will be of course discussing about runtime polymorphism, because that is a main topic of us. In this runtime polymorphism, I will be going to create a one application that is a professional level application, although, but I will try to make that application simple. So I will be going to create an application which I usually called as a animal kingdom game. Second, I will be discussing class का susception, which is very essential for runtime polymorphism. And then after, we will see the runtime polymorphism and entire concepts along with abstract class and interfaces. And then after, I will discuss you the relevance or the existence of inheritance in the Java frameworks. Because Java frameworks you cannot imagine without inheritance. Let's assume collection frameworks or Spring framework or Struts or Hibernate, any framework. All of these frameworks are built over inheritance. So inheritance is very essential in Java throughout ecosystem. And then after, I will be going to discuss few design patterns which is built using inheritance. So this series, if you want to learn Java in depth professionally, then I can ensure you that this series will be the eye opener for you all. I hope that you will join the series, and if you want any another video specific to your requirement, you can message me in the comment box. Thank you guys.